Now, Senior Counsel Ahmednasir Abdullahi has spoken out after the Supreme Court banned him from appearing or filing cases before it. The seemingly unbothered lawyer took to X platform to term the ban against him and his law firm at large as a badge of honor. He further went ahead to blast the Supreme Court as being corrupt, an allegation that largely contributed to his blacklisting. He posted this in a quote: "It's indeed a badge of honor for the most corrupt court in Kenya to refuse me and my law firm an audience." End of quote. The Supreme Court, in a strongly worded letter drafted by Registrar L.M. Wachira on Thursday, barred Ahmednasir and employees of his firm from filing cases before it over what it termed as incessant attacks. The registrar noted that it defeats purpose of Grand Mullah, as Ahmednasir is popularly known, to appear before the very institution and individuals that he constantly berates in his media engagements. The letter read this and I quote: "It is the decision of this court that henceforth and from the date of this communication you shall have no audience before the court, either by yourself, through an employee of your law firm, or any other person holding brief for you or acting pursuant to your instructions. Much as this decision is bound to affect those who may have instructed you to represent them before the court, it is untenable that you will seek justice in the very institution and before the very judges whose reputation and integrity you never tire in assaulting." End of quote. The senior counsel stands accused of running a smear campaign against the High Court in the land, as well as the 7-judge bench that sits on it for years, through relentless accusations of corruption and incompetence. This, the court stated, went on despite the institution's exercise of restraint, as well as a 2018 ruling where Ahmednasir was warned of further consequences if he continued with his unwanted attacks. This is some Cuba news.